Hey everybody, this is CHEWY from Off-Leash K9 Training, Clarksville, Nashville, Tennessee. Here we have Saban. He's a 4-year-old border collie. Saban comes here for our aggressive border training package because he has bit a child in the face, grandma in the face, and bit a lady in their house in the leg. Basically all these is when he gets startled, if somebody comes at him fast, it's the fear of biting and everything like that. But what we're going to go over right now is what Saban knows for obedience. Saban, can you sit? Saban, can you sit? Sit. Saban, can you down? Can you down? How about place? Can you get out of this thing? Yeah, good job, dude. Good job. So as you can see, pretty smart dude. There is a dog being walked around our parking lot, so he's kind of fixated on that right now. But check back in these 3 short weeks and see how this gorgeous dude does. Saban.
Every time I fall, I get back up again. Cinch my saddle up and find me another win. Let it take me where it wants to go. Another one-horse town, another damned old rodeo. I know this life is crazy, but I'll be home soon, baby. I'll ride in on a sunny day, sing you a song, steal your heart away like a cowboy. Hang my hat like I'm here for a while, kick off my boots and drive you wild like a cowboy. I'll be gone. Until then I'll hold on like a cowboy. I'll keep your picture tucked inside my old hat. It brings me love. I need a bunch of that. This midnight winding road runs through my blood. I can't give it up like I said I would. I know it's hard on you, but like I always do, I'll ride in on a sunny day, sing you a song, steal your heart away like a cowboy. Drive you wild like a cowboy. But baby, you know I can't stay long. You wake up, I'll be gone. Until then, I'll hold on like a cowboy. Jack in my coat, I need to get her off my brain. I wanna make my head float Yeah, tonight I'm a maker's Mark Twain. I might end up at her front door. I might spend the night in jail. I might end up on a bathroom floor, no telling where I go when the ship sets sail. Down the Mississippi River, ain't no turning back. No mercy on my liver. I don't know where I'll crash, all I know is I'm going south fast. Tomorrow's gonna be a little hazy, 'cause tonight I'm going wherever this whiskey sipping river takes me. I got a Chelsea's blues from the Delta, and only one thing gonna work. Ain't no fruity umbrella drink strong enough to drown this earth. When I get that brown liquor fix kicking in my bloodstream, ain't no barefoot fishing line raft. It's a 2-ton heartache picking up steam. Down the Mississippi River, ain't no turning back. No mercy on my liver. I don't know where I'll crash, all I know is I'm going south fast.